Hi guys! This is Elenise and today is a very special day for me. Kasi finally, I'll be having that perfect smile that I want. Ilang years ko rin tong pinag-isipan guys. And finally, I already decided to have a porcelain Emax veneers only at Smile Creations by Dr. Frank. I know naman guys na there's nothing wrong about my teeth. But for me kasi, my teeth are so tiny and not that even. Basta, I just wanna achieve that camera-ready smile. Finally, I arrived here at Smile Creations by Dr. Frank, and upon entering, I was really impressed on how cozy the clinic was. The place was very relaxing, parang nawala yung kaba ko. Siyempre, kabado pa rin ako guys, since major decision pa rin to sa life ko. Walang atraso na talaga. Dr. Frank is one of the most trusted and famous cosmetic dentists here in the Philippines. I've seen lots of models and public figures that had their procedures done by Dr. Frank, and they're all so gorgeous guys. They all went so well. And finally, today it's my turn to have that camera-ready smile. Kudos also to the staffs that assisted me all the way sa procedure. By the way, Dr. Frank will be making my temporary composite veneers guys, and I'll be wearing it for a few days while waiting for the final teeth, which is the porcelain veneers. The best thing about Dr. Frank is he won't shave your teeth that much. Konti lang yung binabawas niya. Kasi yan yung major concern ng mga patients. Natatakot sila na baka daw magiging shark teeth yung ngipin nila. The procedure went so smooth. Dr. Frank did a konting gum lift din sa akin. Talagang binagay niya sa profile ko guys. The goal here is to achieve that natural looking perfect smile. Super bilis na handcraft ni Dr. Frank ang temporary veneers ko. And look, temporary veneers pa lang yan but I'm already in love with my smile. How much more pag porcelain veneers na, diba? After 5 days of having my temporary veneers made by Dr. Frank, I went back to his clinic for the installation of my porcelain veneers. And no words can explain how excited I am and how would I look like with my new smile. And yes, let's let Dr. Frank do his magic. Super bilis lang ng procedure, it's totally painless. May pangingilo ka lang na ma-feel. And ta-da! This is it, the final look. OMG, they're so gorgeous. And I'm so obsessed. My smile looks more beautiful now. And I love everything about it. The color, the shape, just perfectly fit on my profile. Thank you so much, Dr. Frank. I am now more confident to show my smile to the world. Only here at Smile Creations by Dr. Frank. You can follow him on IG guys to check his works. Smile Creations by Dr. Frank. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!